At Tito Soto, ibinahagi ni Jay Sonza sa kanyang Facebook ang litrato na ito kung saan galing itong liham mula sa Supreme Court. Ayon sa post ni Jay Sonza, our fight to cleanse the election processes in our country continues. It is our prayer that the Solicitor General will finally file its comment so that our petition to conduct manual counting will finally move forward. Result ng manual counting: out si Lacson, Soto, Lapid, Aquino at Pangilinan. In si Jimmy Bondoc, Vic Rodriguez, JV Hindo, Doc Mata, Pastor Kibuloy, and Raul Lampino. Nauna nang kinasuhan ang Pangulo at dalawa pang mataas na opisyal ng Smartmatic dahil sa panunuhol kay dating COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista. This time, isinama na sa kasong kriminal ang kumpanyang Smartmatic mismo at ang kumpanyang nagmamay-ari nito, ang SGO Corporation. I was never wrong in my allegations against